We are supposed to tackle question A to G. Using a suitable database software, create a database and save it as your name and personal number. So basically here, let me assume that my personal number is 739, then my name there, or the student name. So that's how you go about it. So let me close this. So here you save it as your personal number and the name. Then the next thing is now to open this database. We are left to open the database, and here using a suitable software, okay, we have created that one. Design a table, employee table, with appropriate data types in design view using the given information. So we have this information here. So in design view, we needed to create a table called employee with the employee number, name. Remember, you cannot use name. Name is a reserved word. So when you use name here, probably in most cases it will not work. So avoid using reserved words like name, form, class, such. Then the next thing here, we are supposed to fix the data types as I have done. Then you open this database. Let me just close it. Let me close it, then we open it again. So I need to completely close this. So I can just close this one, task manager. We close access and the task. So again, can just launch access here, then just go to my database, enable content. So I was in design view. So this is what we have, and I have already now fed the data. This is the data. Remember here in the currency, you see how I have fixed the currency to Uganda shillings. Just go to design view. Then when you click on the salary field, you type this. You can just pause the video to see this format. You put this format so that when you run, exactly this is what appears. So we proceed with the question. The next one is enter the data. That one we have done. Those are 7-8 marks so far. So create a query with all fields to filter female employees in the computer department and save it as computer department. So what you need to do is first of all close this, then go to create, go to query design, and bring this table by double clicking on it. So we want to have employee number, name, gender, and department. So the next thing you do, you just type computer here. In the criteria, you type computer. Hopefully it is written like that. Yeah, computer. Then the next thing, here in sex or gender, you type F. That is female. And for that case, when I run, you see it gives me those people who come from computer and are female. Then just save it as stored. Save it as computer department. That is computer department. Then we proceed to the next question. Right click here and close all. The next question is, this is computer dep. We shall edit that. Create another query to calculate the actual salary if all the employees are registered with NSSF and 15% is deducted. Save it as actual salary. So you just come to this point here. You can double click just like I have done, like that. Then here we have employee, name, gender, department, date of birth and salary. But actually we can just remove the unnecessary fields, like that. So we want to have NSSF deduction is 15%. So you put a full colon. 15% is 0.15. So you put it as decimal multiplied by salary, like that. And then tick this. It is called the show, so that it can be displayed. So when I save this one, this is the actual salary. When I run by hitting this red button here, you realize that this is the deductions. These are the deductions. So the actual salary will be the salary minus NSSF. So I go back to design view and then type here actual salary. Actual salary. Make sure this one is ticked. So actual salary. Actual salary will be salary minus NSSF. Then you click outside. So when I click on save and run, this is the actual salary. You see now how I have calculated the actual salary. You first of all calculate the NSSF, so it will be actual salary minus, that is salary minus NSSF. Then the next one is create a report from the actual salary query with all the feeds and save it as query report. That is very easy. Just hit on the actual salary, you need to go to create, then hit this button, report, just like that. It has produced the report. So you just go to design view by right clicking here, go to design view, and then reduce the size of this one. I want to reduce the size so that salary fits in. It will fit in there. So here you can increase the salary field like that. Good. So if now I save this one, this is query report. It is called the query report. The query report. So this is what I am supposed to do. So when I save, you see now my report is accurate. So we check on the next one. This is query report. Create. This is we are done. Create a form with a right background color to show the fields. Employee. This field. These are the fields. The employee name etc. Save it as salary form. So to create the salary form, it should have the employee. Let's see how the fields are arranged here. Employee name, department. So we can just create a query first. Just go to query design, double click this. So the examiner wants us to have employee, number, name, department, and salary. So this one can just save it as a salary form. You can save this one as salary form so that you can just use it directly. Salary form. So these are the fields I have. The next thing I have here is just to create a form. So I just go to form wizard, then choose the salary form query, set everything to the right by hitting the two angle brackets. Next, then we have tabular, tabular, columnar tabular. Then we have it as salary form. There we are done. So you just right click up here, go to design view, and then resize the fields. You can resize these ones as you wish, so that they can have the same, the same size. This one it should have a right background. So the right background, let me assume the right background is that one. So this is what we have. Then you can just drag, go to format, give it some clear finish. This one didn't go to the required size. Then pull this up. So the next thing is that insert your name and personal number as the footer of the salary form. So you pour here. You pour here. This is the form footer. Then you go to design. Go to this part. Take AA. This is called a label, and draw a label. We usually type text on the label. So here I type my personal number and my name. Like that. Then click here. You can just edit. You can make it center and vivid, or probably you can make this one size 14, like that. This is the salary form. You can bring the title there. Then save and then run. So this hash means we increase the column width. So I need to do something on that. So I can just come here and increase that one. That is the salary. Then make it center. Home. Run. There we are. So you can see I have been in a position to tackle the whole thing. That is the whole paper. The next thing is to print. Print all your work. You just press Control P, or just go to File and then you hit on Print. Then you can print the stuff or your work individually. That is how you are supposed to tackle that question. Remember to subscribe. Remember to share my videos with your friends.